Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to collect echinacea or coneflower seeds. All you need is a good pruner, a garden glove or gloves, paper envelopes with the label written on it, date written on it, and a plastic bag initially to collect. But we are not going to preserve or keep those seeds in a plastic bag because they can develop mold. Okay, so here we go. I will make sure that you do wear gloves because the spikes are very sharp. You don't want to hurt your fingers. Let's go to the garden and collect some seeds. How would you make sure that echinacea seeds are ready? The seed heads should be brown and dry, not green or soft. The petals have fallen off and the cone looks spiky and firm. It happens usually in late summer or early fall. The seeds are small, dark, and slightly oblong, often mixed with chaff. Choose the brown and dried seed head and cut 3 to 4 inches below. Check every seed head whether they are ready to collect because green seed heads are not ready for collecting seeds. So this one has plenty of seeds in it and I'm going to collect that. Echinacea seeds look like a small wooden pellets. I collected quite a few of seed heads. There were two varieties, white swan and pink echinacea. So I brought all the seed heads or seed pods inside and I used my garden glove to extract the seeds. It's very simple and easy. Use your fingers or tweezers to separate seeds from the debris. You have to remove the spiky top part of the seeds and then you will get those small little pellets of that is called echinacea. No, Lily, no. Lily thinks that she's a great helper, but in a way she scattered all of my seeds that I extracted. Well, that's okay. I think she wants to have fun too. So I extracted quite a lot of seeds for both the varieties and I will show you how the seeds look like. This is how the seeds look like. So I collected both the seeds. This is white swan echinacea and this is the pink one. I'm going to put them in the envelopes that I labeled and then I'm going to put them in a fridge. Why in a fridge? Because coneflower, they need cold stratification to germinate. It is important that before you put them out to grow or you are growing them inside in the pods, you have to at least for 2 weeks put them in a fridge so that they are ready to germinate. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. I will see you next time with one more video. Until then, take care.